Good afternoon, everybody. This is our second break of the day. This is our 2020 Panini Mosaic Football Cello Packs one box break number 41. We do have two teams available if anybody wants to claim them in chat. We have the Houston Texans. They're going to be available for $8, or if you're already in the break, $6. And we have the Miami Dolphins. Miami Dolphins became available. The Miami Dolphins are going to be available for $45, or if you're already in the break, they're going to be available to you for $40. So Houston for $8 or $6 if you're in the break, and the Miami Dolphins for $45 or $40 if you're already in the break. So if anybody would like either of those teams, please let me know in the chat. Houston Texans or the Miami Dolphins. I will show our owners list for this break. As I said already, this is the Mosaic Football number 41. As you can see there, we have the Texans available for $8, and the Miami Dolphins are available for $45 or $40 if you're already in the break. So if anybody wants to try and test our luck, let me know. Here is our sealed box. Our green wants to take Miami for 40. Okay. Our green, let me know what team you already have in this break, so I know what name to put down. Are you Rusty G by any chance? Colts Bears. All right, you are Rusty G. Okay. All right, Rusty, there's our PayPal address there. Since you're already in the break, if you could send friends and family, that'd be perfect. Since I don't need your address, I'll just put you down. I'll just ship your other cards with the other, with the eBay stuff. Very much appreciated, Rusty. Hopefully I can pull you a tour or something. So that just leaves the Houston Texans. Houston Texans are available for $8, or if you're already in the break, you can have them for $6. If anybody wants to take the Texans, Thank you again, Rusty. I wish you the best of luck. See what we can find for you. All right, guys. So no takers on the Texans, huh? Nobody wants to try on the Texans. All right. That's our break. Everything's opened up. So let's get in there and see what we can find. Good luck, guys. Will to win, Russell Wilson insert for the Seahawks. There's a Michael Pittman Jr. base rookie for the Colts. Rusty, there you go, Rusty. There's one for you. Mosaic. Ooh, there's a really nice one for Pittsburgh. Mosaic Prism Chase Claypool rookie. Very nice card. Pittsburgh. RC. RC, you kidding me? RC Chase Claypool Mosaic Prism rookie. Nice start. DK Metcalf got game. Insert for the Seahawks. Zachary. There's an Aaron Rodgers MVP. Aaron Donald. Here comes a silver for somebody. Silver Isaiah Simmons rookie for the Cardinals. Patrick D. KJ Hamler. Gronkowski. Here is a green prism Jalen Hurts NFL debut rookie for the Philadelphia Eagles. Matt N. Jalen Hurts green prism NFL debut. Touchdown Masters Todd Gurley for the Falcons. Timothy O. NFL debut CeeDee Lamb. Mosaic Prism insert for the Vikings. Adam Thielen got game. The Van Jefferson rookie for the Rams. Robert Woods green prism for the Rams. Old school Peyton Manning insert for the Colts. Touchdown Masters Randy Moss, Vikings. There's a Darrington Evans rookie. Landon Collins green prism for Washington, Alex S. Jerome Bettis old school, that's for the Rams. There's a Chase Young rookie debut, Washington, Alex. Green prism Michael Vick for Atlanta. Here's a Flea Flickers insert for the Cleveland Browns. Nick Chubb, Baker Mayfield, Odell Beckham Jr. Here's a Flea Flicker Prism insert for the Colts. Edgerrin James, Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne. That's a Prism. It's a nice one for the Colts there. James Morgan. Mosaic Prism insert, old school, Jerry Rice, 49ers. Chris W. Jeff Okudah, rookie, Lions. There's a Drew Lock, Will to Win insert for Denver. Timothy O. Cam Akers, rookie debut. Excuse me. Will to Win insert, Julio Jones, Falcons. Timothy O. There's a Joshua Kelly rookie for the Chargers. Mosaic Prism, Zach Ertz, Philadelphia. Got game insert, Saquon Barkley for the Giants. Julian S. Cole Kmet rookie debut. Here's a nice one for the Rams. Cam Akers rookie green prism. Los Angeles Rams. RC. Cam Akers green prism rookie. Tom Brady touchdown masters for the Tampa Bay Bucks, Timothy O. Here's a silver prism coming up. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. Nice AP silver. Vikings. Terry H. Gabriel Davis, rookie. Here's a Got Game Aaron Donald green prism for the Rams and RC. Len Bowden Jr. rookie. DJ Moore, green prism for the Jags. Flea Flicker insert, Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, DJ Chark, Zachary V. Dan Marino Hall of Fame insert, Josh Jacobs. Here's a silver Michael Vick, that's a cool one for the Falcons. Michael Vick silver prism. AJ Terrell for the Falcons. There's a green prism Jonathan Taylor rookie. We're getting some nice prism rookies in this box. Jonathan Taylor rookie. Green is going to the Colts. That's for Rusty. There you go. There you go, Rusty. Jonathan Taylor green prism rookie. JJ Watt got game. Brett Favre touchdown masters for the Packers. Well, here's a nice one for the Chargers. Darrell E. Justin Herbert. Justin Herbert base rookie for Darrell. Very nice. Alright, let's finish up the regular pack, and then we'll go to the bonus per pink camo packs. Here's a Drew Brees green for the Saints, Chris W. Tom Brady. Here's a nice one for the Cardinals, Will to Win, Larry Fitzgerald Prism insert. Cardinals, Patrick D. Here's a nice Justin Jefferson rookie, Vikings, Terry H. Zach Ertz. Murray Cooper green. Flea Flicker here. RC, I don't know if you needed this one or not. Flea Flicker insert for the Steelers, Jerome Bettis, Terry Bradshaw, Juju Smith-Schuster. RC, let me know if you needed that one. And then we got another Herbert here for the Chargers. Justin Herbert, NFL debut rookie. Darrell E. Alright guys, let's check out the pink camo packs. Good luck. Brian Burns, Jared Cook, and a Jordan Love. Nice Jordan Love pink NFL debut for the Packers. Alex S. Sleeve the love up for you. Mark Brunell, Warren Sapp, and Tyler Johnson for the Buccaneers. Timothy O. Jarvis Landry, Cameron Jordan, Kevin Green. Baker Mayfield, James Conner, Russell Wilson, Julius Peppers, Michael Thomas, Brian Urlacher, Jeff Saturday, Yannick Ngakoue, and there's a Brandon Ayuk. It's a nice one for the 49ers. Chris W. John Elway, Rod Woodson, and there's another Chase Claypool for Pittsburgh and RCW. Claypool. Earl Thomas, Dalvin Cook, and Lamar Jackson MVPs insert pink. Aaron Jones, Cam Chancellor, and for the Lions, DeAndre Swift, Patrick D. Alright guys, we got 3 packs left. Good luck. We got Jordy Nelson, Marshawn Lynch. Ooh, here's a very nice one. Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Here we go. You guys be sure to stick around after the last pack here. I'll do a short recap. Justin Jefferson, pink. For the Vikings. Terry H, there you go. Marquise Brown, Kirk Cousins. Are you kidding? Another Herbert. This is the 3rd Herbert of the break. Chargers having a nice one. Congratulations. Justin Herbert, pink. NFL debut. Darrell E. and the Chargers. Would have loved to have split the hits up a little bit with the Burrow and the Tua spot and the Hurts. But congratulations anyway for the Chargers spot. Here's the last pack, guys. Here we go. Dwight Freeney, Melvin Gordon, and Justin Herbert again. Justin Herbert pink base this time. So we got 4 Herberts in the break. For the Chargers and Darrell E. Holy cow. Darrell picked the right break to buy the Chargers. Well, we're going to start our recap with this one here. Justin Herbert, base, pink camo. And then we had our Justin Herbert rookie debut, pink camo for the Chargers. Darrell. We had our pink Justin Jefferson rookie for Minnesota. Terry H. Chase Claypool, pink, rookie for the Pittsburgh Steelers, Raleigh H, RC. NFL debut, Jordan Love, pink, for the Packers, Alex S. NFL debut, base rookie, Justin Herbert, for the Chargers, Darrell. Justin Herbert, base rookie, for the Chargers, Darrell. Then we had our green Mosaic rookie for the Colts. This is a nice one. This is going to the Colts. Rusty G. Nice card there. And then we had a green Prism Cam Akers. Green for the Rams. RC. Oh, we did hit a Hurts. Okay, I forgot about this one. Jalen Hurts. Rookie debut green Prism for the Eagles. Matt N. I forgot about this one. And then last but not least, to start the break, we hit this Chase Claypool Mosaic Prism rookie for the Steelers. RC. Beautiful card. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Appreciate each and every one of you that got involved. Special thanks goes out to Rusty for taking the Dolphins in this one. Got you a couple base cards with the Marino and a couple others. So just a heads up guys, for all of you that may be in the next upcoming Prism football break, that one might be delayed. We are waiting for our shipment to come today. We may have to delay that break, but we'll still have it. It just may not be at 2:30. It may be delayed a bit. So for anybody that's watching that might be in that Prism break, it could be delayed. But I will break it as soon as it gets here. And we do have our full case of plates and patches at 4 as well. So we have 2 more football breaks coming for you guys today. So until then guys, if I don't see you, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe guys, we'll talk to you later.